Hey everyone. Awesome. Yeah, Stacy just finished her dog rescuing expedition, and I'm gonna try to name every single living thing that she brought on her rescuing expedition. So, I'll see you when I remember every single one of them. So guys, I'm in the middle of it. Don't worry, I'll be done in a few minutes. The automatic is just turned off. I don't know what that means, but it sounds pretty bad. The auto power turned off again. This is why I can't have good things. But don't worry, back in a minute. Or maybe a few, I don't know. Alright, so here's everyone feeling funny. Okay. Here we are. St. Bernard's, Bow and Apple, Burmese Mountains, Misty and Angus, Doberman Pinschers, Alpha and Francesca, Bloodhound Nutella, Poodle Georgette, Collie Sadie, Chihuahua Tater Tot, or Tate for short. American Eskimo Spitz, Snowflake and Bandit, American Bulldog Homer, Wolf Wink, Mule Molasses, Newfoundland Dog Violet, Player Stacy. So yeah, Player Stacy's herself. So comment down below if you think I missed one. Oh, and the question for today is, do you think that I missed any dogs? Answer it down in the comments, and I'll see you later. Bye.